Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about the top flagship models of all the major refrigerator manufacturers. We've got Samsung, LG, Whirlpool, and Frigidaire to cover today. If you're in the market to buying a brand new fridge, they've got some really cool features. We're going to be talking about features anywhere from cameras inside the refrigerator that have AI built into them to craft ice down at the freezer level. And one of these refrigerators holds up to 12.5 pounds of ice. And one that has a super chill function that mass produces ice over a 24-hour period, and you don't want to miss it. So if you're in the market to buying a fridge, you don't want to skip this video. We're going to be going over all the awesome new features that fridges have for 2026. Let's get into it. So you want to make sure that you click the related products tab down below. That's going to give you access to all of the models that I have listed in this video, and you'll be able to go there and check them out and purchase if you feel necessary. But you're not going to want to miss out on these awesome refrigerators for 2026. First up, we have the Samsung Bespoke Refrigerator that has AI Family Hub built into the refrigerator. It also has the AI Vision inside, which has a camera that is able to detect, I think, up to 37 different items inside of your refrigerator to give you a list of everything that's inside your refrigerator. So when you go shopping, you know exactly what you're missing and what you need. One of the awesome, cool features of these fridges on the Bespoke line is they have customizable glass. They have white, stainless steel, charcoal, morning blue, and I think I'm missing one. Awesome. And they run deals from time to time where you buy the fridge, you get another set. At least at the moment, that's what they're running the special on. Also, whenever you buy a Samsung refrigerator right now, as of this moment, on December the 31st, 2025, they will give you $400 off on a Bespoke all-in-one washer and dryer combo unit. I have done multiple review videos on these machines. It's awesome to not have to switch your laundry over, so consider that. If you're gonna buy a Samsung, consider that you can get $400 off right now on one of the all-in-one washer and dryer units in addition to your purchase. Right now, up until today, December 31st, 2025, they're also offering a 2-year warranty. I'm not sure what it's gonna be in 2026. They may keep it 2 years, but it may go back down to a year. I'm not sure at this moment. I'll try to provide an update. For the ice maker, they have a dual auto ice maker where you can choose between regular ice cubes or iced bites, and they have 2 separate ice makers pull-out trays for that, and that is pretty awesome. What's also cool is right here where I have just a regular water thing in my fridge. They actually have the new thing that they do these days. It's called a beverage center. They actually have a pull-out water jug that you can fill up, I think it's a gallon, and it just automatically fills from the refrigerator. So you have a jug of water to serve your guests, fill up your dog food bowl, whatever you want. On the right-hand side of the fridge, they have the AI Family Hub where you can share pictures, you can stream videos, and you can play music directly from your fridge. So if that interests you, go for it. But I think that would be pretty cool where most of us have stuff up of them and our kids have drawn. That's pretty awesome. But what if we could put, favorite memories and pictures of our children, like playing their favorite sports or doing all this. And, here you can only have so much room for artwork and stuff, but on the Family Hub, you could take pictures of all that stuff and you could even scan it in and then upload it. And then guess what? You could just have it right here just all the time and just circle back. Anyway, that is so cool to me. The extra warranty on the plan for 3 years is $29.99, along with a 5-year warranty plan for $99.99. That's of the making of this video. It may go up, so keep that in mind. Also, you want to check the dimensions of this fridge. It needs 73 inches plus 2 inches of ventilation space, and it is pretty wide. So keep that in mind. Make sure you're checking out the dimensions of all these refrigerators that I'm listing here. It has a feature called metal cooling that keeps the refrigerator from dumping out cold air into your living space even while the door is open. It also has UV deodorizing filter built into the machine, which is pretty awesome. It also has a 10-year warranty on the compressor, which uses digital inverter technology. The top of this refrigerator is 17.4 cubic feet. The bottom is 11.6 cubic feet, totaling 29 total cubic feet for the whole machine. It's a monster. It's really tall, 72 inches, plus it needs 2 extra inches for ventilation. It is really wide and really deep, so make sure you check out the dimensions of this refrigerator and make sure that your front door can support it, or you have a door in your house where this refrigerator will fit through. Otherwise, you might have a problem getting it in the door. So keep that in mind. Now let's address the elephant in the room. A number of years ago, Samsung had some issues with ice makers. Just like with any new technology or any new appliance these days, there are going to inevitably be issues. So buyer beware that could potentially be a problem with any of these brands. Things these days just aren't made the way that they used to be, but it seems like as time goes on, the small little issues that are fixed or that people are having problems with are remediated in later revisions. An example is the ice maker issues that Samsung had. They released a different model, fixed the parts and the problems that caused that issue, and there were later models that didn't have that problem. Now we are going to move on to the LG appliances. They do make a great fridge. They have some really awesome features. One of those features is the ability to have craft ice and regular ice cubes straight from the pull-out drawer at the bottom of your refrigerator. I think that's going to be really cool. So if you enjoy like having friends over and having a glass of bourbon from time to time, that craft ice is going to make these little ice balls, and that craft ice is going to just bring your bourbon game up to the next level. You're always going to run into the people that want the bourbon that has the ice that's completely clear. I'm not sure if these do that. Of course, that's more about impurities in the water and how it's frozen, so I don't know if it does that, but it's still going to be pretty cool to have balls of ice versus like ice cubes or miniature pellet ice. Now this LG fridge, it can hold up to, actually the website says it can daily produce 63 pounds of ice. I'm not sure if that's a typo, if it meant 6.3 pounds of ice. I'm not sure. That's a lot of ice. But it also says that it has somewhere around 10.8 pounds of ice storage inside the machine. So maybe it can go through and do that 6 times roughly throughout the day. I'm not sure. But you have the option to do craft ice, crushed ice, cubed ice, or mini cubed ice. So that is pretty awesome. It looks like it's mostly just down at the bottom in the freezer. Now keep in mind, this refrigerator does not have a flex zone like a lot of these other ones do. So you just get a two top French doors and then a bottom freezer drawer. You can also turn on IcePlus to increase ice production for 24 hours. Not having the ice up top means you get additional refrigerator space that's not taken up by an ice maker in the top portion of the refrigerator. There's a 5-year warranty on parts and labor for the compressor, a 6 to 10 year warranty on the linear compressor, a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, a 5-year sealed system parts and labor warranty. Also, LG makes one of the highest rated fridges on Consumer Reports. They have one that is rated a 76 with the highest possible rating of 82. Now, it is not a fridge like this. It's not super fancy. It doesn't have things like a camera. It's just a regular fridge freezer combo that is like, apparently works. If you just need something plain Jane, I'll link that one down in the description below. It's not gonna have all these cool features that the other ones do, but it seems to be very reliable. Now keep in mind, this is also a very large fridge. It is 70 1/4 inches tall. It's 35 3/4 inches wide, and it's 29 1/8 inches deep. So when you're measuring this all out, make sure that you have enough ventilation space, like 2 to 3 inches on each side all the way around, just to make sure you have enough ventilation for the fridge to breathe. This fridge is also around 26 cubic foot. It's 25.5 cubic feet overall. It's 8.6 cubic foot of the freezer and 16.9 cubic feet in the refrigerator. Next, we're gonna move on to the GE quad door 28.3 cubic foot dual dispensing refrigerator. This one is something that you guys can dream of. Let's get into it. Now this GE fridge is awesome. There is no ice at the top, but this one actually has a tap on the jug to where you can pour it from the tap or you can pour it from the top. But not having the ice up top allows you to have more optimal space for refrigeration. Now this one is 28.3 cubic foot, so a little bit smaller than the Samsung, which came in at around 30 cubic feet. This one has 4 doors and 3 different zones. You can have the refrigerated zone, which is 34 to 40 degrees. You can have the chilled zone, which is 41 to 43 degrees, or you can have the freezer zone, which is -6 to 5 degrees Fahrenheit. Of course, all these numbers are in Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Along with the ice maker, you can also have 12.5 pounds of filtered ice ready to go. Now in the beverage center, the water jug holds up to 60 ounces of water, filtered water. The fridge also connects to the Smart HQ app, which allows you to do things like track your usage, track the amount of water that you've used, how much water that you've saved. You're able to fill up things like your coffee dispenser, your dog's watering bowl. It's BPA free and dishwasher safe, so you can put it right into your dishwasher. Next up is the Frigidaire standard depth 4-door French door refrigerator. Pretty awesome because it has just a standard open refrigerator, just French doors. It does have the ice compartment in the top, but what I do like about it is it has the flex drawer like this to where you can set it to freeze, to chill, or just to refrigerate. And I'm pretty sure on this Samsung one, I can't do a freezer, but I can chill. I can use it for meat or I can use it for wine. So it'll get really, really cold, but it won't freeze. So I like the option to be able to stick large things in the flex fridge part of this Frigidaire, like pizzas or other items like that. So I think that is pretty cool. Inside the crisper tray, it has one of the most advanced vegetable crispers out there. It keeps your vegetables fresher for longer, which is pretty awesome. And one of the coolest things about this fridge is that on the door, it has the slide tray. So if, say, you have something that is taller and it won't fit, you know exactly what I'm talking about. It has a middle drawer that you can slide back and forth, so you can put like orange juice or a bottle of wine down in the fridge. And then you could be able to slide that thing back and forth and still be able to fit your tall things in there while still having that middle drawer available. The warranty is not that spectacular. It has a 1-year warranty on parts and labor, and I couldn't find anything else to indicate any other level of warranty outside of that. Now, overall, it is a nice looking fridge, and it does have 4.7 stars on their website. That, I don't know if that's independent reviews or what that is, but that is pretty impressive to have 4.7 stars. Next up is this Whirlpool $3,200 4-door French door refrigerator. It looks very similar to this one. It's available in stainless steel and a stainless steel black version. It has the open pull-out drawers. It has the open door French doors. It has the ice maker built into the inside, which does mean you lose a little bit of interior freezer space. The pull-out middle drawer appears to just be a refrigerator. I couldn't find any indication that it was a flex style where you could use it as a freezer, a chill zone, or for meat. I think it's just a regular refrigerator, and then at the bottom you just have a regular freezer. To me, it does seem a little bit overpriced for what it is, but there is a lot that goes into these refrigerators, but to me, it seems a little bit overpriced. I think this one is made in the United States, so that might be why it's a little bit more expensive. But if I'm not mistaken, I think Samsung also has a plant in South Carolina where they manufacture items, so I'm gonna have to check on that and get back to you on the other thing that I didn't like about this one is that underneath where the ice drawer is here, there is no beverage center on this one, so there's only a little tiny strip to be able to put little tiny things where they could put something up above or down to the side. Like, also looks like it might open up to allow you to just scoop ice out, which that is a pretty cool feature. And maybe that's why they didn't opt to put, shelving right there beside the ice maker. I don't know. There's not a whole lot of information about this one. A 1 year from date of delivery of the original purchase, parts and labor included, warranty, and then a 2 year through 5 year from the date of delivery of the original purchase. Certain component parts and labor included. Says Whirlpool will pay for factory specified replacement parts and labor for the component parts listed below. That is the sealed refrigeration system, includes compressor, evaporator, condenser, dryer, and connecting tubing. Overall, my pick, overall my pick for the refrigerator that I would want to buy out of the ones that I've listed. Now these are like the top end of each one of these lines. At least the best ones that I could find. And maybe towards the end of the year, they'll have a new model. When that happens, we'll do another video on that. But right now, man, that Samsung refrigerator, the one at the very beginning, it is sleek, it is stylish, it has the camera built in to where you can see what's in, and the AI part keeps track of like the things that are inside of your refrigerator, like up to certain amount. And obviously there's limits to that. It's not like if you put an unlabeled thing in there with like apple cider vinegar, it's not gonna know what it is. But like there's limits to that, obviously. I just think that's a really cool feature. The pull-out jug for water is really cool. The not having an ice maker at the top and having two different drawers at the bottom is really cool. The UV deodorizing features on this refrigerator really got me, because you ever open up your fridge, you left something in there that stinks a little bit too long? We've all done it, right? We've all done it. To have that UV deodorizing feature to limit, hopefully limit those smells, and maybe you don't have to put baking soda in there as often. That is just super, super, super cool to me. Obviously the 10-year compressor warranty on parts is awesome. It seems like they're doing that more and more. But the thing that really gets me on this is that like right now, you can get, I think it's like $400 off if you buy an all-in-one washing machine too, a bespoke unit. So either the vented or ventless units, you can get $400 off one of those right now. That's really what I would pick if I could get a new fridge right now. I would get one of those units. My second guess would probably be that LG unit for that crafted ice. That is pretty awesome to be able to have filtered ice that just comes in those balls for parties and just having friends over and stuff like that. Like that's a really awesome feature. But man, the Samsung's really got it with their like unique panels on the front, the camera, just all the other bells and whistles that they have. So I'm gonna have to give it to Samsung on this one. But anyway, if you guys want to check these out, I'll put them in the description below. Click that related products tab. Don't forget to do that. Check them out for yourself. See, I just hope that I've been able to put all this information together for you guys so you have easy access. You can just watch one video, check out all these high-end models, and figure out which one best suits your family, because they all have their each individual things that are better than the other ones. But I have to put it to Samsung as the number one, in my opinion, for this video. The next one is gonna be that, that LG unit with that crafted ice. But I just thought that was so cool. Anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a blessed day. Take care. Don't forget to check that link down in the description below. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do that. What are you waiting for? Take care. God bless each and every one of you. Hope you guys have a great new year. Set some goals, conquer them. Love you.